We are here at Unity Park. This is a very important project because it represents all of the provinces and regions of Ethiopia. It represents the future of Ethiopian unity and the oneness that the people are trying to achieve here. So we're going to go inside, we're going to see the Emperor's Palace, we're going to learn a bunch of great history, and we're going to get into the heart of Ethiopia. Emperor Menelik's prayer room. Original communication right here. This pipe, the tour guide is telling me, he can speak into this pipe. Voice travels down to the room below, and any of his assistants, commanders, or servants can hear what he needs. So he doesn't have to leave the prayer room to continue his meditation with God and figuring out how he's going to get the devil out of his country. The technology here is incredibly simple. These little marks here, you see this little metal arrow? It's pointing in a certain direction. So the emperor had a telescope that he would mount on this rail, and he could point it in the direction of which the arrow, and that arrow would allow him to watch or monitor one of his ministers in an office. Ingenious. All right, so check it out. What is this right here? This is an original Ethiopian lightning rod. Because we sit so high up on a hill and the emperor's house is so far up, it's an easy target during a thunderstorm. So what you're seeing here is one of the original waiting rooms for Emperor Menelik. It has all of his weapons, original Ethiopian coins. There's a picture of Emperor Menelik II right there. I am incredibly honored to be standing in front of the official monument of the great mighty Emperor Menelik, one of the most important kings in African history. Check out this incredible animation technology that they're using here. Some type of multi-layered animation that has sequenced all these different art layers so that they can tell the story of Solomon and Sheba founding the empire. Guys, when you come to Ethiopia, you have to come to Unity Park. This is absolutely incredible. It's a total tourism experience. You must not come to Ethiopia without going to Unity Park. So says the Queen. Very well put together, folks. The architecture here, the design work here is absolutely top grade professional standard. Now, one might say, gosh, standing by this fence, how did the cheetah not come over? They have an electrified fence right down beneath this one, so if they come down the hill and try to come up, they get a little shock. That's how they keep everybody safe here. White lions of South Africa.
Ethiopia